All right, I've got something really cool to show y'all. Hey, I'm Davis Orders with Engineered Sleep. I'm here to talk about our DUO Epic mattress that's right behind me. So our DUO design allows us to make larger, oversized mattresses super simple for shipping and for setting up for you, the customer. So the way that we do it is we make it in 3 pieces. So our normal DUO mattresses are made in 2 pieces with comfort and support. But because of how large these mattresses are, we've separated the support, which actually adds a couple of benefits to you, the customer. Again, it makes it really easy to set up. When you get it at your house, you'll get 3 separate boxes. You'll get the comfort topper and the 2 supports. But also on the supports, you have a firmer side and a softer side. So this one here is set up on the softer side, and this support here is set up on the firmer side. So you can get 2 different feels in one oversized mattress. We love this product. It's just like our other DUO mattresses, but it allows you to get a very large mattress for your house. All right, question we get a lot with the DUO Epic is, all right, what kind of frame do I need to use with this bed? And it can be difficult, but we have created a few sizes. They're called our perfect sizes that match up well with standard frames. So this mattress here is our 120 by 80 mattress, and it's on 2 of our ES power bases. So we actually have these synced up where you can have one of these oversized mattresses. You can even use it with an adjustable bed. So this is a great option. It's a very sturdy frame. It's gonna hold up and support the mattress really well. But the cool thing is you can match this up with any traditional frame, and it works really well and saves you a lot of money.